Hi guys, good morning. So I just figured I should start off the vlog here. Today is March 30. Alright, that didn't come out how I wanted it to. Anyways, you know what it is. I'm editing this video to go up today. I had to put in some funny edits because it was like kind of short and I wanted over 10 minutes, so it's like 10 minutes and 27 seconds, but I added some funny parts in the clip. I hope you guys like it. I'm trying to get a little bit of humor in times. I'm gonna beep that out because I think they kind of demonetized my last video a little bit when I said I think only said shit. I only said it once. I'm not gonna say it anymore. Anyways, I really gotta go shower, but I just decided to jump right in here. Tell you guys good morning. I am going on the road today to present to a sound group in Jamaica on how to, you know, bring up their social media and how to go live via the internet. So I'll be bringing you guys along with me. The reason why I'm not showing you is because I'm not looking cute right now, but I am. I got like a little cute outfit on, a little shorts or whatever, and a crop top. But anyways, I gotta go. Perfect timing. Anyways guys, I'm all ready. I'm about to leave. I've uploaded my video that I said I was gonna upload earlier today. They're on my dress. This is what I'm wearing to my little meeting. I put on a simple little makeup. I put on my earrings, and I have this up. I'm not gonna put my hair up, so I pinned it back because I have twists. I've been rocking twists lately. But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm on the road. Guys, I have my face mask on. I'm where I need to be. Mommy said I should wear a face mask. Well, I'm not having the face mask. I'm using this. A bandana. I'm here. I'm early. I've been here before for a dance that they put on, I think, a year and a half ago. I remember this whole area. Yeah, interestingly enough. It's 1:42. My meeting is at 2 o'clock. I'm early, but the security said he's inside, so if I can just get this started early, then I don't see what the problem is. Now have a nice mango tree. Oh, sorry, I don't know if this is blurry. You know, have a nice mango tree. One in there, so too. But anyways, I just got my bag. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my bun and cheese, and then I'm gonna go inside and present. Don't put me in there. Does it look like you're in there? Is it pointing at you? Okay. Anyways, guys, I am so sorry you can't see me from so far. I'm gonna recreate a scene from a show that I like. Well, I don't really like the show much, but I like the scene. Deep in my voice. Testing. Deeper to that. Deeper to that. Yeah. Zoom in. Blur my face. I'm so sorry that I'm not allowed. And that some people are my cousins. Good morning, guys. So today is day 1 of quarantine. Well, day 1 of lockdown. So we've been in quarantine-ish. Sorry about the noises of body parts for car. He's fixing car. Well, we've been in like quarantine, self-isolation mode for the past, I'd say 4 weeks, almost a month. No, yeah, almost a month. Now we're in official lockdown. Today is April 1st, and the lockdown is an island-wide lockdown from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. So during the day it's like business as usual, but then after 8, if anyone's caught outside, they can be arrested and or charged.
We out here, we not going, see there? Life me I make sure go. We out here, we not going.
Or whatever. It's looking so peaceful. There's so much lighting. It's just looking real nice. Again, sorry about the noise, but I can't control external factors, and that's just what I'm hearing right now, so you're gonna hear it too. But anyways, I'm gonna go eat breakfast. I have some work to do. Yeah, but I'm chilling like a villain. I'll come back to you guys if anything happens. Hopefully I come back today. Yeah. Hi guys, so I put the phone on mute. Hold on. No, I forgot to check. There's so much messages that I haven't responded back to. There's so much messages I haven't responded back to on WhatsApp. Yeah. 1 second, okay? Alright guys, so we're in our final hour before lockdown. Well, it's not 7 o'clock yet. Lockdown is at 8 o'clock. It's 6:52. I know I didn't record at all this today. I fell asleep. I was doing some work from home, and I did what I had to do, and I ate a little snack, and I passed out, and I basically passed out for the whole day. I'm so upset because I had something that I had to go and do, but they closed at 4 o'clock, and I was on my 5th dream. But first day of lockdown wasn't really anything. Yeah, but anyways, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for day 2 of lockdown, and we'll see how this weekly vlog is gonna go.
I told you earlier, our reporter Bashan Brown is in downtown Kingston, and here he is with what's happening there.
Thanks so much, Janella. I'm standing at Southbury, close to Beckford Street. Now, we got here about minutes to 6 p.m. We passed the Kingston Public Hospital on our way here, and we saw several vendors outside the Kingston and the Kingston Public Hospital. Now, thereafter, we entered the parade area. It almost seemed like business as usual, with several vendors still out in their numbers. Taxi operators were also in that particular area. Now, commuters were also...
Good morning, guys. Good morning from lockdown day 2. So I'm about to wash the car. I wonder what this looks like. Or maybe. Anyways, I'm about to wash the car because it's looking real dirty and embarrassing. Yes, I'm vlogging. There's Junior up in the tree. Where is he? He's like right there. Guys, I was told to wait until it's cooled down before I wash the car. That I shouldn't wash the car in the sun. So I won't. I was.
You crack up your
color.
Yeah? So don't use soap?
Sun too hot.
Oh, so wait until... Hi guys, so I completely forgot. Well, I've been sleeping all day. Today's quarantine day 3 for the weekly vlog, since we're gonna be on lockdown for a week. But I just finished working out. That would have been something good to show you guys, right? I'll show you a workout routine tomorrow. But Shoshana is very upset at me because I finished working out before her and I need to go shower. But then I had to tell you guys that it was day 3. Hurry up, go bed. Rude. But anyways, bye guys. I don't know if you heard the choppers a while ago. but it's a chopper. Hi guys, so today is quarantine, scratch that, lockdown day 4. Yeah, and I'm going back to country today. I just went to market and the supermarket to buy some things for grandma. I'm about to hit KFC and get her and grandpa some KFC because there's no KFC in Christiana and there's no KFC in like southern Trelawney. So grandma loves KFC, but it's not like she gets it often. I'm about to drive out. It's really hot. I feel like I might pass out. I know my upper lip is sweating like crazy. So I'm gonna just go and then I'll catch you guys when I finish with KFC and I'm on my way to Warsaw. Bye. Eyelashes long.
Now what he do, now what he done.
When you're ready, I'm going to be working. I'm not getting recovered. Look at me in a joke. Cut the straight until we come, man. You will away where? You can't tell me something about it. You don't know what you're doing. Cut the straight until we come.
Well, look, I'm playing fool. I'm really not playing on the whole face. I'll meet with you on this. But I don't see girl fast. Because I can't afraid to walk around now.
Alright, hi vlog. It's later. Oh Jesus. I'm always dropping on camera and I don't know why. But it's later during the day. I think the last clip I have is of the truck. I was driving with the van in front of us. So I'm back at my grandparents'. I'm about to eat dinner. I just showered and I feel so fresh. I saw some grass lice climbing on me when I was like watching the yam. So I put some peppermint oil in my bath. Hopefully that helps. And I'm about to have grandma look at my back. She's looking at grandpa's back, so maybe I'll show you guys that right now. But day 6 tomorrow. And yeah, there's hair underneath my armpit. And I've been looking at myself and not at this, which is harder because look at me. I'm just kidding. Anyways, bye.
Enough woman there, but a wife.
You done find the ticks, Sam? The grass ice?
Miserable thing. He's nice, we love him.
Alright guys, so I've been on the road. It's 3 or 4 minutes after 3. I am in Albertown and I'm in the Juicy Patty in Albertown. I just want to show you guys my face. I'm just trying to get out of here as fast as possible. Yeah, but anyways, I gotta go. Thank you, Grandma.
Let's see you. Give me a hug. Birthday hug. Love you, Mig.
Love you.
My granddaughter. You for your mommy?
Hi guys, so I think the last clip you saw was from this morning. My grandma singing me happy birthday. Today was a long day. I don't know. Birthdays are supposed to be a happy day for people, but every year it's kind of a sad day for me, and I don't know why. And I should be grateful that I'm alive and that I have my family. But I don't know, I always get really sad on my birthday. And I don't know, I thought this year would be different, but it's the same. And I don't know, it's starting to become like some type of annual thing where I cry on my birthday every year for as long as I can remember, every single year. And I know, like I said, I'm grateful and I'm really happy and I'm thankful for all my friends and family, but it's just something that I seem to personally go through with, and I don't really know how to explain it to anybody. I don't think anybody understands or will understand why. But yeah, I know you can hear me crying, but it's best to not see me cry because I don't want anybody to cry while watching this video. But I didn't really do much today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I'm sorry. Morning vlog. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, and the lockdown was supposed to end today, but they're extending it, and they're also extending the closed borders. Me and my cousin are going to Orakabessa today. We have to pick up some medicine for grandma, and it's only in Orakabessa. Yeah, so we have to go and do that now. We're gonna try to go all the way there and come back before lockdown. It's 7:46, and we're gonna stop by Western Union, which opens at 9 o'clock. We're gonna stop in Albertown, so we'll be there before 9 o'clock. And then I have to get gas and do all those things. So we have gloves, and my cousin just went to go get some face masks. I was gonna make this a 8-day lockdown video, but since it's extending, I might just like upload like a weekly vlog for what I have so far. I don't know how long it's gonna be extended for. They didn't mention that, they just said it's gonna be extended. But yeah, so here I am, just about to head out. I'm feeling much better than yesterday. That was the past, and we're moving into the future. So I'll see you guys when I'm on the road.